A day in the future. The year is 2040. You wake up now to a loud alarm, but a gentle sunrise glow project by your smart pillow. Your AI assistant has been monitoring your sleep. The air smells like eucalyptus. The sound of an African forest begins to play. It's the perfect morning. You stretch. Your smart mirror lights up and says, "Good morning, your heart rate is stable. Slight dehydration detect protein-rich breakfast recommend." In the kitchen, your robot chef is already preparing a smoothie with locally grown fruit and 3D print pen protein. No cooking, no dishes, just personalized nutrition. Hologram activate. Top news today: breakthrough in solar technology in West Africa. New autonomous trade route launch across the continent. You step into a self-driving pod, quiet, electric, and shared. There is no steering wheel. You sleep on your smart glasses and join your first virtual meeting of the day in 3D. The entire room transforms around you. The traffic is smooth, all managed by AI. You barely notice the city flying by. You arrive at your smart workspace. You choose your office mode: tropical forest, ocean breeze, zen garden. Colleagues are either present or photorealistic avatar in full 3D. You work on an ethical AI project for a non-profit in Africa. Your assistant helps you code, design, write, even summarize and translate in real time. You focus only on idea, the tech handle the rest. At lunch, you eat in a half-top garden. Your plate was 3D print with ingredients grow just a few steps away. Fresh, organic, zero waste, and delicious. After lunch, it's time to learn something new. You plug into a neural interface, no pen, no wire. In just 30 minutes, you absorb a full 3D courses on neural AI and African data ethics. You feel your brain grow shaper instantly. Later, your AI guides you through a personalized meditation in a beautiful simulated African desert. You breathe, you relax, no stress, just calm. At night, your home adjusts everything: light, sounds, temperature. Your bed calibrates your position. Your health data is analyzed and used to improve tomorrow. You are ready to rest, mind, body, and soul. In 2040, technology doesn't replace humanity, it elevates it. It's not just about machine, it's about living smarter, healthier, and more connected to yourself, to others, and to the planet. Welcome to the future.